We're here for another week of member highlights, and today I'm here at CQ Engraving and Gifts.
Hi, I'm Charlie from CQ Engraving and Gifts, and I'm so glad you can come with us to see that we have a little of this and a little of that for gifts for all occasions. If you can't find that great gift you need, we can customize mugs, glassware, even make dog tags. We have craft wood for all, and there's even custom t-shirts that meet all occasions.
It's almost springtime, Charlie. What do we got here?
We have these locally made statues, cats, dogs, a little bit of everything. They don't blow away. We also have spinners for the yard. They're lots of fun. And kites, they're fun to blow in the wind.